Casey Crane, and I'm a copywriter, content manager here at Blue Leads. And for today's Marketing Minute, we're going to talk about social media for SaaS companies. When it comes to social media for SaaS companies, it's not a quick win. It's really about putting all of your love, passion, energy into what you're doing and creating the best content to help build brand awareness, brand loyalty, and brand visibility. So the trick to posting some really good and useful content for social media as a SaaS company is to create content that is useful, informative, educational, and shares industry news, things that people are interested in learning about and also want to share with their colleagues and their friends in the industry. One of the best things about social media is that it's an opportunity to provide enhanced customer service. You can have an extended conversation with your customers and answer any questions that they may have about your product or service.